Look at mommy's big girl. Look at mommy's big girl. Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Mandy. Today I'm going to teach you how to pack for a baby. My daughter is 9 months old. She's about to be 10 months the 17th of this month, and we're actually going away to my in-laws house. So I figured today would be a good day to just teach you what I pack for my baby, just to make sure that she has a comfortable stay. If you like this content, please continue to watch. This is everything that's going to go in Ayana's suitcase. I have some flashcards because we're going over shapes and colors. And then I'm also trying to teach her Spanish. So I have the English translation flashcards. Some diapers. We're going over my in-laws house, so she already has a pack of diapers there. So there's a lot of things that we don't have to bring, but I just have it here just for the sake of the video. This is the baby monitor, a muslin cloth because I still breastfeed, an extra blanket, but she has some blankets there. When I give her a bath and wash her hair, this is detangler spray for a baby. Then I have her noise machine here. This is the other part of the monitor. Okay, and then I have some bath things. This is the Aveeno Baby Cleansing Therapy Moisture Wash. It's specifically for eczema, which my baby has a mild form of eczema. It kind of came out of nowhere. I think it didn't appear to, she was about 5 or 6 months. So I have this for her. It's really good. She likes that. And then the cream. And then I really do like this smell, so sometimes I put this on over it, just depending on, her temperament, if she wants me to rub both lotions on her. Then some diaper rash cream just in case. And then I have some pacifier wipes. My baby still uses a pacifier, so I like these because she's crawling now, she's standing and falling. So this is good with helping clean her pacifier since it's normally clipped to her. If it's dragging all over the floor, we can clean it with this. This has baking soda in it, i.e. Arm & Hammer. And then I have a couple of outfits. So this is a little sleeper. I grabbed a footy sleeper. I know that it's hot outside, but sometimes it's cold in the house. And I'd rather err on the side of caution of making sure that she's warm at all times than being cold. So I did pack some of her footy pajamas. And then I also have just like a onesie if she wants to just run around the house in a onesie, because we're not going anywhere. It's still quarantine. So just a little onesie for her to run around in. And then I have another one. So this is a onesie with some pants. So if she's roaming around the house, or if we need to step outside for a second, she's still decent. She's still comfortable. And then something for her to wear. Another outfit for her to wear. And then another outfit for her to wear. I think we're only staying 2 days max. I'm only 10 minutes down the road from my in-laws. So if I forget anything, I'm always able to come back. But I like to pack extra because, she's eating new foods and everything. If she throws something up, if something doesn't agree with her stomach, then I have backup. Oh yeah, and I also have socks here, which I can't find in this stack of mess.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Love focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna die knowing that you're not beside me. Love of mine, love me for a while. Love of mine.
Okay, let's wash that down a little bit. So not much. You wash it down.